Hello everyone, welcome back to Lucid Tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the font color on sticky notes in the Freeform app on macOS Ventura. Last week, I received a question about changing the text color on sticky notes in Apple's Freeform app. I thought there might be other users who may have the same question, so I decided to make this video. I have already made 2 other tutorials on how to use the Freeform app. If you are looking for a comprehensive tutorial, watch this one. If you want to learn tips and tricks, watch this one. I will leave the tutorial links in the description box under this video. Let's get started. First, click the Add a Sticky Note button in the toolbar to add a note to your Freeform board. Next, double-click on your note and type a word or a sentence. For example, my business ideas. To change the font color or the color of your text, go to the Format menu and select Show Colors. To see the Color Picker tool, there are 5 icons at the top of the Color Picker. From left, Color Wheel, Color Sliders, Color Palettes, Image Palettes, and Pencils. In this tutorial, I will use the Color Wheel. Double-click on your note. You will notice that your mouse cursor changes into a text cursor. Drag the text cursor over the word or sentence to select it. Make sure your text is selected. If it's not selected, you can change its color. Next, drag the slider under the color wheel to the left to see all the colors. Click on the crosshair and drag it over the wheel to select the color. Or click on the pencils icon to choose a color. If there is a color in an image, a photo, or a drawing you like, and you want your font or text to be the same color, there is a way to do it. Drag the image to the board that contains your favorite color, or copy and paste it. This can be a JPEG, GIF, PNG, or TIFF image. If you have accidentally closed the color picker window, go to the Format menu and select Show Colors. Make sure your text is selected. Click on the eyedropper tool and move it to the color you like. You can see a square in the middle of the circle. Place the square over the color and click it. In this way, you can choose as many colors as you wish. You can also change the color of your sticky notes in the same manner. This time, select your sticky note instead of the font or text. Then use the eyedropper tool to change your sticky note color. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you learned something new from it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to receive notifications of upcoming tutorials. Your support will encourage me to make more videos for you. Thank you for watching.